Yes, this is Firechicken. Jarrett's doing some body work on it, getting it ready for paint. He's changing the color, and we'll kind of keep that under wraps right now, but he also added a firewall back here so he can pass text since his fuel cell's in the back here. And of course, the new dash. So he's been working on it after work for the past couple days, getting it sanded down, fixing some holes. Got a side exhaust or bumper exit exhaust there for a little bit, so he patched that in right there. Had a crack in the front bumper around here. So he's getting that all sorted out. And then he's going to get some primer on it and get it ready for the mystery color. Update on the Supra. We have pulled most of the interior out. Still got to pull up the carpet, pull out some of the panels back here. Getting it ready for the cage. So we got the dash out. Dash wasn't too bad, getting that out. Got to tidy up some of this stuff. Not taking out too much. Still want this to be a fairly decent car to drive around, so it's still going to have AC. But of course, it'll have the TH400 on it. Over here we have the ATF Speed 2JZ to GM adapter kit. We got their billet flywheel right here that will accept normal GM converters. Don't need anything special to bolt this up. This is the height and everything like that. Allows us to use any off-the-shelf GM converter, so that definitely opens up a lot of converter options without having to spend a lot of money. Now that being said, we're going to have to go through a couple to get it to where we actually want it. So alright, so what year is this? 2019?
Yep, only year.
2019, and what's the color again?
It is it's a ceramic matrix gray.
Ceramic matrix gray. Whew. Alright guys, you guys are going to have to guess on the dyno on this one.
I'm going with 630.
Uncorrected or corrected?
Corrected.
Correct.
I say corrected. It, uncorrected for altitude, probably at best of 540, 545. That is my guess.
Oh, let me get the...
What's your guess?
Corrected?
Yeah.
625. All right. So, bone stock ZR1, uncorrected numbers, 564, 561. Those were basically done back to back. And then for everyone that wants to compare it apples to apples, $642, $647. And that is bone stock. I mean, nothing done at all. We'll have to get a Z06 in here and see what they put out. Sweet. Hell yeah.